interview the entrepreneurs of local cooperatives. So they will share how they built their cooperative. Today, let's welcome our guest for today. Hi, Miss Joanna. Hi, Miss Danica. Miss Diana. Have a seat.
Thank you so much.
Tell me about your cooperative.
So first, we'll share our cooperative name, which is the Special Beach Lumpia. It is homemade and made by fresh vegetables.
And we are located at Tacola, Manalo for teachers. We also offer two flavors like cheese and spicy.
So, what is inspired the formation of the special beach lumpia homemade cooperative?
So it was inspired by the desire to offer healthy, affordable lumpia while supporting the local community.
What is the nature of the business of the special veg lumpia homemade cooperative?
Well, the nature of our cooperative is a food production and distribution business focused on vegetable-based lumpia.
Okay. What is important that these ingredients are sourced locally?
This is very important because it ensures freshness, support farmers, and strengthen the local economy.
Okay. What does the cooperative aim to become in the future according to its vision statement?
To become a trusted homegrown brand in local community and supporting local farmers and families.
Okay. Mission statement reflect the cooperative's commitment to the community.
It shows commitment by promoting healthy eating and supporting local farmers and families.
Okay, Miss Diana, are you ready for these questions?
Ready?
Okay. What is your marketing objectives?
So, hello, Ms. Rachel. I'm glad to share our marketing objectives. So, the Special Regional Lumpia Homemade Cooperative aims to grow its local presence by offering healthy and affordable food. So, we have three objectives. So, first is the increase awareness. So, Regional Lumpia Homemade Cooperative is we promote here in Tacolan, Manalo for Bukidnon through our Facebook and the word of mouth. Core piece. So in our core piece, in our marketing mix, so first is the product. So our product is homemade veggie lumpia made from fresh and local ingredients. So we have two flavors as they mentioned earlier. It is a veggie lumpia with cheese. It is a creamy and a kid friendly. While the second is the spicy veggie lumpia. It is for customers who like strong and tasty rice. So we sell our veggie lumpia. It's 70 pesos per tab. So in tab, it has 12 pieces inside. So it is offering great value for our customer for money. So next is the in Tacolan, Manalo, Portage, Bukidnon, and it is also available in small canteens and the Corderia. Next, we accept also orders via Facebook and Messenger. So we're planning in future that we sell frozen packs in local stores. So next is the promotion. So we use social media marketing. So we use Facebook posts, food photos, and customer feedback. And then we also plan on packaging branding. So it is a simple, eye-catching packaging with our cooperative logo.
Okay, Miss Danica, this is your turn, and this is your question. How about the member involvement?
So about the member involvement, assigning members to different tasks in vegetable lumpia production for avoid making mistakes. Dividing tasks to match every member's skills and actively involved.
How about the budget and financial?
The overall budget for our ingredients is 405 pesos. We bought different kinds of vegetables and seasonings for our dish. We spent 30 pesos for 1 kilo of carrots and 35 for 1 kilo of potatoes. We also bought 5 pieces of bell pepper for 50 pesos. We bought 13 pieces of cheese for 45 pesos for the spices and seasonings. We spent 50 pesos for paminta, 5 pesos for salt, and 14 pesos for 2 pieces of magic sarap. We also bought 3 pieces of onion for 20 pesos, 2 pieces of garlic for 20 pesos, and 4 pieces of spicy chili for 35 pesos. We spent 80 pesos for cooking oil,
50 pesos for 2 bundles of kahoy, and 5 pesos for 1 piece of match. All of these ingredients and materials completed our dish, and the total expense is 105 pesos.
Okay. So tell me about the monitoring and evaluation.
So the Special Video Lumpia Homing Cooperative will regularly monitor and evaluate its operation to ensure that the business is running smoothly and achieving its goals. Especially from online customers and local stores, customers' feedback from Facebook, messages, and personal comments will also be collected to improve product taste, quality, and service.
And also, our cooperative members will monitor the use of ingredients and expenses to make sure that the budget is well managed and there is no waste. Every month, we will review our marketing effort, such as the social media posts and the store partnership, to see if our marketing objectives are being met. So, through proper monitoring and regular evaluation, our cooperative can identify problems early and it is continue improving our.
Okay? What is the best advice to share with our viewers?
For the best advice for our viewers, do not afraid to take a risk to start.
Okay, for your cooperative.
Thank you for allowing us to promote our product. So, to all the consumer or viewers, you should choose our product is because there's a lot of benefits that you gain, especially that this is a homemade and fresh vegetables. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Joanna.